last night. We got rain. We got rain last night. We got rain. Get my jacket. Oh, we got rain. Back. Got rain. Water hike. First Creek. 40 miles out. 40-minute drive from Vegas, outside of Red Rock. Got a waterfall. Cool waterfall. Should be going good. Gonna check it out. Here's a picture of the waterfall. This is what the waterfall looks like. Hoping to find it. So, you wanna go? All right, let's go. As you can see, we're just barely out of the parking lot and we're already crossing water. This wash is usually always empty, but I'm surprised to see that much flowing down it. Got a lot of snow melt going on top and we had some good rainstorms. So I'm very pleased with this. This is looking promising. As you can see, the first part of the trail is quite wide and a little rocky, but mainly just smooth and slowly going uphill. These mountains in the background sure do look nice, though, and I love that red line that goes through them. The beauty of the West here. First part of the trail is super easy to follow. I mean, obviously we walk along on this wide trail and the posts keep you going in the right direction. However, there are no markers for where this waterfall is, so this can be interesting when I get in here. And I don't have anything to really measure too much of the distance other than my Fitbit. But I'm not worried about it. I'm going to go play around and have a good time. And here we come up to some interesting wildlife. I think they're giraffes or something, I'm not sure. But they're cool looking, so I took a picture of them. Let's move on. And here we come up to some more mystery wildlife. Along the way, we come up to something very important that I've been passing. These markers right here. They're very important, but I've been passing by about 4 of them so far, but I keep pressing on, following the way they're pointing to. I have to catch on to that later. Keep that in mind. Begin to think the wildlife I'm seeing are cows. I'm not really sure. Maybe someone could tell me. I'm a good mile into the hike by now. The parking lot's somewhere back there. I'm getting closer to canyons and that red line is looking absolutely gorgeous. Here's a shot looking at the main body of Red Rock, way in the distance there. Still look at the mountains, getting excited, looking for this waterfall, and the trail's starting to get a little more narrow. But I want to keep pressing forward. Off to my right, you can see all the pine trees lining up there. That's the wash going down there. Very hard hiking through that. Lots of boulders and a lot of thick undergrowth. I'm trying to listen for a waterfall as I go, but the wind is brushing through the trees and the brush, so it makes it a little more difficult. That's okay. Beautiful day out. I'm enjoying myself. Keep looking at that thick growth of pine trees up there, thinking that looks pretty promising. Usually that means at least a pool of water. So I start heading towards it. So I enter the little oasis, hike down the side of the canyon into the trees. There's a nice flowing stream. Beautiful, crystal clear, cool water. That is not the waterfall. Definitely not the waterfall I'm looking for. So I'm going to have to keep going. Here I enter the mouth of the canyon. Hike down into the canyon once more because I hear running water. And, well, there is running water, but no waterfall. Stood there for a few moments enjoying it, but I knew I was going to leave. Still wanted to find that waterfall. And now you can see the terrain has changed a lot. A lot of bigger boulders, a lot more undergrowth. Really, I don't mind it. Pretty. And the trail is getting smaller, which is okay with me also, because that means the average hiker is probably left behind. I'm starting to hear more water, so I start to check things out. Here we come up, we have not one, but two post markers, both telling me to go left. I pass right by him at first, continue left, but then I'm keep looking right. I think I can hear water. It's hard to tell it's breeze, but maybe it's worth checking out, because we got some good sized trees over there. This little beauty was hidden down there. A little hard of a hike to get down, but not bad. And the picture doesn't even close to do it justice. The pool's about 20 feet wide, 3 feet deep, and the surface of the water to the top of the rocks is about 18 feet, so that waterfall is about 15 feet tall. Stunningly gorgeous, and a rare treat for us desert people. That still wasn't the waterfall we're looking for, so I went deeper into the canyon. Back there was about 15 degrees cooler, light breeze, a little chilly actually, but very pretty. I just heard water running again. This time here was just seeping out of a rock. Really enjoyed it. It was about 20 feet tall. See, it's very pretty. Eventually it just flows down to a pool down below, and then joins the main stream. Still not satisfied. I decided to venture on further. Just a little bit, but it started getting way too rocky. I was climbing over things. There was no trail. And oddly, I was out there hiking and I found a half-buried Canadian penny right along this little path here. It was from 1974, which is really amazing. I wonder how long it's been there. That penny was from 1974. That was before I was born.
No, it's not.
You be quiet there, sassy pants. Let's get back to the video. We're going to find out where this waterfall is. So I started backtracking, zigzagging across the canyon each time. A lot of climbing, but I did it. Remember this pole I told you about? Well, it had a secret. The trail goes left. The arrow goes left. There's a little path, a little footpath, right there. It goes right. Take that path. And then there and behold, I'm sitting there staring up the waterfall. I found it. I'm not checking my phone. I'm actually just make sure it's recorded. As always, thanks for watching my videos. I hope you have a blessed day. And if you could, please subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps a lot with the video. Thanks. You all take care. If you could, please check out one of my books.